Round about three. 1, 2, 3, go. Bye. 3, 2, 1, go.
I surrender. I surrender.
Henry surrenders.
Ah! I surrender. Just kidding.
No, you can't do that.
Got you. I got
No,
you.
you didn't.
Jack, I got you.
You did not get me. I win. I got you 3 times. Henry, you surrendered.
This is garbage.
I win.
think the worst hiding spot.
Baby poo.
Okay. Thanks, you guys.
All right, that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
Thanks, you guys.
Starting round 2 in a couple seconds. Austin, just use like a pistol or something. Henry, we're not starting it.
Oh, I'm using these two babies.
Okay, Austin's using 2 disruptors. Those each take 6.
These each two take 6?
Yep.
Okay.
Henry's sticking with the crossbow and the side string, and I'm sticking with mine, Hyperfire and Red Dot. We are in our basement right now, and this is my hiding spot. So, 3.
No!
Okay. Okay. I got my GoPro I'm using, and I'm actually using my ski helmet because I don't have anything to mount it to right now. Okay, go!
Hey, go! Say hello to my little friend!
I got you, Austin.
No, we're not doing one shot, one kill.
Oh, I got shot.
We're doing one shot, one kill. No, nobody said one shot, one kill. Oh, yeah.
Everybody gets 3 lives.
Yeah!
Austin, I got you 4 times. And I got you.
No, you got me in the neck.
Yes, it does. Okay.